See what Danny's done to me Golf. Oh no.
Oh no.
I always thought Danny was crazy, but now I know he's crazy. Right then, another track video, so we're sorry to all the tuner lovers out there. Some more track stuff, but we're in the dyno, so we'll have a look at that kind of stuff. That tickles your fancy. We're here, the Golf. Matisse just taking it off the dyno now. Just had a new gearbox in, slightly shorter ratio. Put all the cooling malarkey on there, hopefully that helps us because it didn't last time. But we'll see. Still needs a bit of a clean because it's filthy. But yeah, them ratios should be better, so we'll keep playing. Tyres, not looking the best. They've been running a bit, Matisse, they're going a bit blistery. These tyres don't like this dyno. So here we go, look at the power. So 255 is what it normally does on our dyno. And that's flat as you can go. I think we should be able to push probably up to 330s, something like that. It's really lean, you can see we're tapering it right off. So this is the only time it'll probably smoke a little bit. But you're never in this region really, unless it's gone wrong. And then it leans out quite a bit. So this should be ready for the track day. So we'll go out and have a look what else we've got going on. Hammerrock with a trailer all ready. So the Golf's going to go in there. I'm just going to start sorting all my tools out and the spares to go back at there. So the Golf's going to go in there. Adam's coming with me there, look. He's just looking at his new whip. So Adam's going to be driving this down. Yeah, just put a new set of AR1s on. Still waiting for Yokohama to bring the 8009s out in my size. We need them so bad, but we shall see. So yeah, Race Logic's invited us to Castle Combe, so we'll get all loaded up, get ready, get down there. Glad I'm not an AR1s. Oh wait, what's Adam on? I'm assuming the gate is closed. So that's how you'd add half an hour onto your journey. The track was closed. So we're here in the beautiful hotel that Scott's chosen. Right, a bit a crap spot really, not in the base. That were our room. The window is not very well sealed. Let's see if anybody's nicked out of this trailer or Hammerrock. So I think this is a bit wet for AR1s at the minute. Golf's on AO52, so it'll be alright. So if you look here, every way looks like an absolute nightmare. So that's telling us to go up and round here, but if you'd be very sneaky, you can see that little bit there. We'll see where that is. Look. Sneaky, sneaky. See how many minutes it knocks off and how many miles. So 16 minutes, 8.7 mile. 10 minutes, 3.8 mile. There we go. The lady in reception did say this road was not narrow, but it is. Look who we've come across here. Danny boy. So we're all tested. Passed sound test. I'm going to take Adam out in that. In the meantime, Martin is going to go out in his Golf. And then Danny will have a little battle. Standing water there just to cool your tyres down.
Catching that M3 up, S54, E36 to low, but I think I popped the boost pipe or something.
Let's go see what Danny's done to my Golf. Looked like he was smoking a bit in my mirror.
Put up on it, see if you can tell. On this side.
Oh no!
Oh no!
Oh!
Going real well as well. I only got about 3 laps in.
Oh. No, I don't think I've got any spares with me.
Well, looking for you, there's a big motorsports shop just there.
Yeah. Oh, how's that happened?
Quite well, isn't it?
That's not a good advert for our silicons, that. See me lovely boost pipe fix there. Not ideal. The hose were too short, but we'll make it work. If that pops off, the guys with the other Golf there, so we can lend some of their stuff. But 28 quid later, we fixed-ish. Danny's going. Bad boy tuner going. I'm gonna go. Alright?
Yeah, just watch your overtaking. Earlier on that session, very late overtaking to camp.
Which one, the Golf?
From the Golf.
He did indicate over to let me round, but yeah.
On the briefing I said don't indicate, but
yeah.
all right, mate.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Danny boy, getting me told off. Check my tyre pressures now because they've come up too much for definite. Couple of sketchy moments. Ooh, it's so fast. Oh yeah, it just goes, doesn't it? Yeah. Slight change in running order because the other Golf's out. Mini versus Mini. So Race Logic invited us to come and do some testing of their products and just see how we get on and just have a nice, relaxed sort of networking track day. But as part of that, the guys from Motor Addicts said they wanted us. They've been at an R Golf at Blyton Park, so watch that video if you want to see what we're doing there. But they just said they want to do some sort of track sort of type battle, so get like petrol versus diesel, front wheel drive versus rear wheel drive, that sort of stuff. So we brought our diesel Golf. Martin at BMR, he's brought their petrol Golf. So this one is a little bit spicier than ours. He's got 365 horsepower, end slicks. I'm on treaded tyres and I've got 255 on our dyno, so might be a bit of dyno difference there, you never know. Hopefully there's like 100 horsepower difference on dyno and we'll be alright. But yeah, it's not quite as developed as our car. We've got offset Bilstein, Club Sports, all that sort of stuff. What sort of suspension and everything?
It's only running BCs at the minute.
BC.
PB brakes, which are Hong Kong stuff.
Right.
So that's all got to get changed, but yeah.
So it's not full blown yet.
Not yet,
but
no.
It's going to get there.
It's getting there.
Maybe we can swap some notes today and see how we get on.
That's a good idea, yeah.
So we don't know how we're going to get on. Have you done much at Coombe as well?
I've only raced there once, 2019, and that was in an E30.
Right, so it's different again.
Totally different again.
So I think maybe we're a bit of an advantage. We bit of track knowledge and stuff like that, but we'll see. We're just going to go out and have some fun, see how we get on. So just done the track battle with a Golf. That's over there somewhere getting looked at, and they're looking at the data to see how much quicker I went. It was substantially quicker, I'd have said. No one to blow me on trumpet. Only just beat Danny's time though, so he's flying around here as well. He knows his way around Coombe. Comfortable in the Golf. So happy with that. So yeah, now we're out in the minis. So Wayne's going to go out in that. I'm going to go out in there, see what's what. So, not sure how much footage we've got inside of each car and what have you, but had some good fun. Bit of grass cutting from my Mini towards the end there, which was pretty funny. But yeah, the bad boy tuning Mini, pretty good to be honest. I was happy with that. Say it's not going to diff, it was pretty quick. I made it go a bit quicker than Wayne did, so yeah, happy with that. So now, the Golf's all packed up in the trailer, we're ready to rock. Mini's tyres pumped back up, so that should be alright for Adam on the way home. And yeah, I'm going to have a little go out in.
Proved it works. Got some steering shots.
Vlog overload. Vlog overload. Oh.
I always thought Danny was crazy, but now I know he's crazy. Oh, I revved it to 5, it's going to blow up. Oh, it's not a diesel. I'm not sure about my seat. I've got 2 hoodies behind me. Very nice.
I'm sending Adam home, can't deal with him. So yeah, just had to go out in Danny's M3. Pretty good, very neutral. Definitely be quicker with some new tyres on. And we're a better driver.
Only 5 seconds off.
Is that all I want? Yeah, 5 seconds off Danny's pace, he reckons. I think he's stuck at least 2 or 3 seconds on that, but it's where I expected to be. I ain't gone absolutely mental, not pushed too hard. Just wanted to get a feel for the car. Feels good. These are the M3s you want. None of this new F series crap. Yes. Anyway, thank you very much to Race Logic for inviting us all here. Yeah, this is Danny on my video saying thank you, so he'll hopefully needs to say it twice.
Double thanks.
Double thanks.
Triple thanks.
Yeah, triple thanks. That's what Simon says.
Simon says what?
Simon says what? So yeah, sweet. Thank you very much. I'm gonna get some food.